Importing the random and time modules. The important random and import time statement are used to import the random module for word selection and the time module for adding a pause between guesses. Welcome the player. The player name is prompted using input and a welcome message is displayed using an F string. List of words to choose from. This is a list of words to choose from including computing, procedural, semantics, syntax, programming, runtime, debugging, and logical. Choosing a random word. Using random choose words. A random word is selected from the list, initializing guess letters and incorrect guesses. Guess letters is a list to store the player's guesses, and incorrect guesses tracks the number of incorrect guesses made. Main game loop. The while true loop is the main game loop that continues until the player wins or loses. Displaying the current state of the word. The current state of the word is displayed showing guesses letter and underscores by unguessed letters. Checking if the player has won. It checks if the player has correctly guessed the entire word. If no underscore are left in the display, the player wins. Provide a hint about the word. A hint about the length of the word is provided by displaying the number of letters in the word. Getting the player's guess. The player is promoted to input a single letter as a guess from the word. Guess validation. The player's guess is validated to ensure it is a single letter using a while loop. Checking if the letter has already been guessed. It checks if the player has already guessed the letter and prompts them to try again if the letter has already been guessed. Adding the guess to the list of guessed letters. The player's guess is correct. It is added to the list of guessed letters. Checking if the guess is correct. If the count of incorrect guesses reaches 6, the player loses and the correct word is shown. Pause between guesses. There is a 0.5 second pause between
Bali dito naman po sir, pag marangara naman po, ganito naman po yung malabas. Magtatapo kayo ng pangalan kahit ano po. Halimbawa po ganito. Kahit ano po. Tapos ganito naman po yung lalabas. Tapos dito naman po abatiin po yung player at hahangunin po silang maglaro. May listahan po dito ng mga salitang pagpilian po kung saan po ay mapili ng isang random na salita. Halimbawa po yung ganito po. Tapos dito po malabas naman po yung kasalukuyang estado ng salita. Tapos ano po kailangan po ng player na hulaan ng salita sa pamamagitan ng pag-input po ng isang letter. Halimbawa po ganito. Yan. Ganito po. Tapos dito naman po may validasyon po para sa tama at valid na format. kung wala pa ng isang player. Kung ang hula po ay tama, dagdag po dito po ito sa listahan ng mga hula. Kung mali naman po ay ang hula, ay mataas po ang bilang ng maling hula. Ang laro po ay magtatapos kapag nahulaan ng player ang buong salita. O kung umabot naman po sa limitasyon ng maling hula, meron din po silang post na 0.5 seconds sa pamamagitan po ng mga hula para sa mas magandang gaming experience po. Tapos ito na po, hanggang sa lumabas naman po yung congratulations po, you won. Tapos ayun po, okay na po, ito na po yun.